Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove Apple ID without password in 2026. So guys, if you want to remove your Apple ID from your device, here I will show you how can you do this. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all, go back to your home screen and now you have to simply open App Store and then search here for support app. So I simply search for Apple Sport and download and install the latest version of Apple Sport app. Once it is completed, simply open this app and now you have to go to Apple accounts. So I simply tap on Apple account and then you have to tap on forgot Apple account password. So guys, since you have forgot your password or you don't have the password, simply tap on this and now scroll it below and then tap on how to use account recovery when you cannot reset your Apple account password. Simply tap on this and then scroll it below all the way and then tap on iforgot.apple.com. So guys, from here you have to simply reset the password of your Apple ID for one time. So guys, simply reset the password and after this go back and then open settings and then go to your profile and then scroll it below and then tap on sign out and give that password which you have recently changed on your Apple ID. So guys, simply give that password which you have recently changed and after this your account will be removed from your device. So guys, in this way you can also remove Apple ID without password in 2026 on your device. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.